Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today we learn how to reset AutoCAD setting defaults. So if any problem with your AutoCAD apps, then you reset the AutoCAD setting restore or AutoCAD reset settings to default. Now I just close these apps and just write down here reset settings to default. I click here, backup and reset custom setting, reset custom setting. If you backup any data, you click here, backup and reset custom setting, and no need to backup, you click here, reset custom setting. I click here, reset custom setting. The original setting for AutoCAD 2021 English have been successfully reset. I just click OK. Now AutoCAD 2021 apps are opening. Please wait for some time. Now opening Autodesk AutoCAD 2021. Just wait and see. This is Autodesk AutoCAD 2021. The screen is fully new. If you reset Autodesk AutoCAD 2021, the screen is fully new as you newly installed Autodesk app. So this is the procedure. Thank you. Thank you for watching.